Hey, this is Jack with Remax in Clearwater, Florida. We're at 1600 Fruitwood in Clearwater. This is between Keene and Missouri and between East Bay and Gulf Bay. This is 1600 Fruitwood. It's on the corner of Lake and Fruitwood. If you hear the airplane overhead, it's because we're close enough to the beach that you'll get the airplanes dragging the banners. 2-car garage, 1,600 square feet. No, I'm sorry, 1,800 square feet. Entryways are important. This has got a nice one with a nice overhang and welcomes you to an open concept. Here we get a little bit more of the dining room and the kitchen. Here's the bathroom off the kitchen, complete with new shower, sink, plenty of counter space, and areas for towels, laundry room with sink. That leads to the garage. Bonus refrigerator, and that's what it looks like up top. I want to show you updated panel box. Another view of the living space from the kitchen. And to the backyard. The master is to the rear of the house. Large shower. Double vanity, master bedroom with a window facing the backyard. Here's the third bath, double vanity, tub, and nice tile work. Second bedroom. And third bedroom toward the front of the house. Another picture of the kitchen, dining room, and family room. Brand new windows. And here's the backyard. Big trees. Fenced. And the backyard. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is Jack Stroup from Remax. If you